Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive the Toyota GR Supra in CSR2. To achieve a perfect launch, watch your RPM needle closely. As it sweeps past the green zone, tap the launch button. Immediately after launching, shift into second gear. This precise timing is essential for gaining an early lead and setting a strong pace for the rest of your race. Practice makes perfect. Once you've nailed the launch, focus on your shift pattern. Shift into third gear when your RPMs hit around 500. Then, engage fourth gear as the needle approaches 8,000 RPM. Consistently hitting these perfect shifts will ensure your Supra maintains peak acceleration throughout the race. Avoid early or late shifts to prevent losing valuable speed. Nitro is your secret weapon, but timing is everything. The best time to activate your nitro boost is typically in third or fourth gear when your car is already accelerating well. This maximizes the speed surge and helps you pull ahead of opponents. Don't waste it at the start or too close to the finish line. Use it strategically for a decisive advantage. Beyond the race, tuning plays a vital role. Experiment with tire pressure to find the sweet spot for grip and adjust your transmission to align with your perfect shift points. Regular practice runs are key to mastering the Supra's unique handling and shift timings. The more you practice, the more consistent and faster your runs will become, leading to more wins.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.